Oh, this? Don't worry about it. I have it completely under control. Good morning, everybody. It is bright and early, 7 a.m., and we are going to tackle the move. Yes, this is the moving vlog. Usually, when you move, all the items that you have aren't going to work or fit in your new space, so you're gonna take photos of them and sell them as fast as you can. Pepper spray, okay? We're selling this kitchen island. We're gonna do it. 3 to 2 weeks before you move, especially if you're moving to a less expensive area from a more expensive area. Get more for your buck in the high-end area. So we're selling some stuff. The kitchen island is gone. I did sell it for a lesser amount than I wanted, but it was the only person I felt like wasn't scamming me or going to kill me, and also follow through with the purchase. So I feel like that is a perk in itself. The brother of the guy that picked up the kitchen island, beautiful human. Should not follow up on that. It's not the time. But oh my god, he looked like my crush on Grey's Anatomy. If you know, you know. That was like a 600-pound kitchen island. It was heavy. They just lifted it up out of here. Oh my god, okay, I need to go on a date. But not right now. Right now we're moving. And by the way, this is just a light 24-step process that I created. Decluttering. There is no reason to bring clutter into your new home if there's stuff that doesn't work for you and your family, doesn't fit you, or maybe it's a toy that isn't age appropriate anymore. Get it all together and donate it. In here. Yeah. Okay, see you soon.
Okay, in a minute.
I want to put everything in the aloe bag because I feel like...
Are you filming this right now?
Yeah. Do you not want it?
No, you can film me. I love to be on camera.
I know. It's
Is
a
this
one
the top
piece.
or the bottom?
It's a one piece.
I love it.
Okay. Do you think I have enough tape? We are deep into packing. I had 5 people come by and help, and we chatted. We did a lot of chatting. I made the mistake of trying to declutter and pack the same day, and so I had like a declutter party. I've had people come over and they helped and we laughed, and there's a loud motorcycle going. I had at least 2 people in my house at the same time, and a lot of help. I mean, the wallpaper here where the wall decals are now gone. But because I tried to declutter and pack at the same time, I have made a big mess. And now I'm very tired. Actually, maybe I could sleep here. Oh, her bed's nice. I think the moral of the story is you can know everything that's right to move, and moving still is hard. Did I perhaps pack out of order? Possibly, but I do know you pack the kitchen last, because you need to eat. But it can be hard managing grocery shopping when you know you're gonna be gone in a certain amount of time and you don't want food waste, which is why I love today's sponsor, Green Chef. I have worked with them before, I've talked about them before. They are a CCOF certified organic company. They are the first organic meal kit of its kind, and it will fit any diet. They have keto, Mediterranean, vegan, vegetarian, paleo, fast and fit, gluten-free. I'm telling you, whatever your diet is, they have something that fits your lifestyle. There is a hard part, figuring out what I'm gonna have for lunch. I'm gonna make the black bean flautas. These look so good. Obviously, right now I am making lunch for myself, but Green Chef has tons of options for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. With the inconvenience of moving, I'm glad to have a convenient option for eating healthy meals at home delivered straight to my door. You also get pre-made sauces and dressings and spices curated to the exact dish. That way I can pack up my spices sooner. With Green Chef's ever-changing variety of easy-to-follow recipes means there's something new to discover each week. It never gets boring. On top of everything, to celebrate Earth Month, Green Chef is partnering with One Tree Planted. For a limited time, Green Chef will plant one tree for every box sold with the organization. I got so into eating, I almost forgot. I do have a promo code BrittanyBailyn60 to get 60% off your first order plus free shipping. I'll have a link down below, or you can go to greenchef.com for more details. We must fuel up and get back to packing. We can do it. This is the last bin of things that need to find a home, so I will donate this and I will get men's work boots. Pro tip, when you donate and you are a single woman and you're moving into a home, get yourself the largest size of work boots that are used and dirty. Buy them and put them on your front porch. We have donated and we have secured the bag of size 14 shoe as part of my home defense. If you know, you know. Your new home, measure it. Get a good idea of exactly where you want stuff placed, especially if you're hiring movers, you don't want to waste time, or if you're moving it yourself, you don't want to waste energy moving stuff around. For example, the primary suite, the room I'm taking, is actually the smallest room of the house and unfortunately cannot fit my king-size bed, so I'm moving that into what will now be the guest room because I measured, and now I have to order a smaller bed. But the more you know. Get more boxes than you think you need. Trust me, when you start taking stuff out of drawers, it really surprises you how much stuff you have, which is why decluttering is important. But trust me, get more boxes than you think, and wardrobe boxes will be key for wardrobe items. If you hang up your clothes, get those wardrobe boxes. You literally just place them on, open the box, and put it back in. The hangers don't get tangled, and the clothes are just grab and go. You order from Amazon, they send the boxes in boxes in boxes. So use those Amazon boxes. It's like a Russian doll of boxes. So a little extra bang for your buck. Today is my final packing day, which technically isn't, but it is. So what's happening is I had 3 days to pack, and then I have 10 days with my daughter, and then I have 2 final days to pack, and then I move. And so I'm trying to position it where I don't have to pack with a toddler. So I'm getting like anything that I think I don't use all the time packed, and then the only things I'm keeping for the final 2 days are all the kitchen stuff, all of like toys and everything. I'm scared to pack up toys and her wanting something and it's not there, and my bathroom stuff. Everything in my bathroom is like an essential. I kind of regret how I set this up, but it was the best option for me, I think. So right now I'm gonna try to pack up as much as I can and then safely have boxes, places where a toddler won't crawl on them for 10 days, and just make sure, you know, there's nothing dangerous out for a toddler. I'm looking around, it's not looking good. Like him, it's gonna be a big no. The one thing I probably shouldn't have done is I started making all these boxes and then I stopped, because it is a good way to pack stuff up and store it, and I'm gonna use it as storage in my new place. So I was like, oh, I'll just put stuff in it now and then easily, just make it storage in the new house. But they're very easy to open for a toddler, and I have nowhere to actually put them right now. So I can't store stuff in them really until the final 2 days. But now I'm just surrounded by boxes. My entire room I'm gonna line up with boxes because it's actually a place my daughter doesn't like to go. And oh my god, her room, I need to get her room done. Okay, these were her wall decals. I need to toss them. All her stuff is pretty much out. I packed up all her hanging clothes, but I'm keeping everything in here, like all her everyday clothes. I have these big boxes. I was like, I'm not gonna waste them. I'm gonna pack, you know, I'm just gonna throw all the clothes in the dresser in here. But the issue is, I don't have anywhere for this to be for 10 days. Unless I make it into like a boat for my daughter to play in. I'm trying to think, do I focus on packing any more today, or do I just focus on making the place safe? Because that might take longer than I think in getting all the recycling and trash out. I'm having what one might call decision fatigue after deciding on a place to live and looking at all these places and deciding on like schools and gyms and everything that comes with a move when you have a kid. I feel like I cannot make another decision to save my life. I cannot decide what time to leave to go to this event. I cannot decide what to pack when. I have to actually buy a new bed frame and bed because my California King won't fit in the primary suite. And so I'm just deciding between a full and a queen. I can't choose. I'm choosing between like, I don't know, 6 different bed frames. I think I'm gonna end up doing this one on Amazon. It's a really good price. It has pretty good reviews. The only thing is I'm really scared of building it myself, so I would have to factor in hiring someone to build it. I love how I anticipated making this a moving like tips video. What a D-O-U-C, you know what I'm saying. I was at the beginning of this. I don't know who I thought I was. I am just an average girl who is packing very C-. Oh, this? Don't worry about it. I have it completely under control. Oh, you're gonna fit. Yeah, you are. To save this box. I think I have to save it in the shower. In the shower. In the shower. You can fit. Come on. Oh, wow. Yeah, you can. I think we fit right in here. Friend. Good, just close it, just close it. I know this doesn't seem baby-proofed, but for some reason my daughter will not go in this bathroom. So this is actually a safe zone. Watch her start going into it now. Don't jinx us. What have you been up to? Played with chickens.
It's yellow.
Ooh, the chickens are yellow.
And black?
And there's a black one, yeah. There's a yellow and a black chicken. You're so smart. Ooh, what are you gonna show Mama? I can see the fireplace.
Uh-oh, fire.
There's no fire though. Mama's on the floor.
Fire? Oh.
Fire.
Yeah, fire.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What's uh-oh?
It's Papa.
Grandpa?
Who's that?
Oh my god.
What is it?
There's an old guy outside.
There's just he might be a grandpa. It's not grandpa though.
He's got white hair and a white beard.
Oh, might be my dad. Who knows?
Thanks.